Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we're making soft, delicious chicken bread, perfect for tea time or snacks. To prepare the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and add 1 small chopped onion. Sauté for a minute. Then add 1 cup boiled and shredded chicken, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Cook for 2 minutes, then turn off the heat and mix in 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon ketchup. Set the filling aside. Now, prepare the dough by mixing 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon milk powder, optional, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, and 2 tablespoons oil. Slowly add 3/4 cup warm water and knead until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Cover and let it rise for 1 hour until doubled in size. After rising, roll out the dough into an oval shape. Spread the chicken filling in the center. Cut diagonal strips on both sides of the dough and fold them over the filling to create a braided chicken bread. Brush the top with 1 egg beaten and sprinkle sesame seeds if you like. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20-25 minutes until golden brown. Your soft and delicious chicken bread is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Afifa Cuisine for more tasty recipes.